And we're off again. There we go. Yeah, test number 2 for me. This is, I don't know if I'm gonna release it on my channel because I got some footage earlier, but there was something that got me disappointed. For some reason, when I hit the record button on the DJI, I think I forgot to record on the X5. But the strange thing is, when I dropped in the mic into the helmet, it must have just self-started capturing, because I don't remember pressing capture on the X5, which is bizarre and strange, you know. Oh well. Yes, what you're seeing right now is me editing on the go. You see, I just finished test number 1 and I've done the editing. Now it's doing auto edit where I'm saving everything, and now what's happening is I'm rendering and editing the X5 footage, which is here, this one. I'm on the go. I've got to edit and go. I told you I'm going to triple the content on my channel on the go. And that's one of the advantages of recording and uploading content on the go, where I learned to edit fast, quick on the phone. I'm not using a laptop, so I'm not locked into a laptop or a desktop. I can just get it done on the go, on the fly, quick. Edit, upload and go. Edit, upload and go. That's what I do. Record, edit, go. Record, edit, go. Sometimes I just record and just upload straight away. So it depends. If I want to add an end screen and so forth, that I'll do on the laptop later on. But for the content to go on my channel quick, I need to get recording and upload. That's the way I'm going to do it. Otherwise, it's never going to happen. It takes forever and ever, you know. So I don't want to waste time. I'm all about time management. Against time, run against time. You can't technically manage time, but what you can do is get things moving quick, fast, go, go, go. You know, that's what it's all about. So I'm on the go. Always. Yeah, traffic. Oh my god, look at this traffic. It's never ending, I'm telling you. It's like I talked about on my channel a long time ago. It's like, where does everyone go? I mean, morning, day, night, it's just continuously traffic, traffic, traffic. Where's everyone going? Do people not have jobs? I mean, 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock, 8, 9, 10, whatever time it is, this traffic's like this. Some days it's just, I don't know. I know school's back, that's why we've got the traffic now, but come on, you know. How much are everyone doing? I mean, what is everyone doing really? Come on, people. Gotta go, 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 go. Gotta get in quick, otherwise they're not gonna let you in, so I've gotta make my way in quick, you see. Oh no. Somebody's calling me. And I think I know who's calling me. That's my son. I'm not gonna answer him because he'll lose it, because I took his other brother with me in the ride now. And you gotta be fair, you gotta balance it out. But one doesn't like balancing things out. Yeah, the joys of being a parent, you see. Joys of being a parent. You know, it's actually hard being a father. It ain't easy, you know. You're trying to please everyone. You're trying to please the wife, you're trying to please the kids, you're trying to please co-workers, you're trying to please friends, you're trying to please... It just never ends, you know. I don't know, honestly. I honestly don't know. Oh well. Yeah, so I lost at least 12 minutes of the footage on the X5, but don't worry, because I've got it captured on the X6. X6. I've got it captured on the Osmo Action 6, so that's a good thing. Unless my chin has come into contact with the power button, which I doubt. I just forgot to hit the record button basically. There you go, there's my son calling again. He's not going to stop now because he wants to get on the bike, and it's a no-go because I already took him for a little quick ride. So enough's enough, put your foot down. Yeah, right, whatever. So this is what, 70-80. I hope the sound is acceptable, and if it ain't, I do apologize. But as I said, best sweet spot I found on motovlogging is 60 and below. That's kilometers per hour, not miles per hour. So 60 is a sweet spot that I found motovlogging. Let's drop it down. Now at 70, we'll drop it down to 60. And you see what I mean? This is a perfect example that the best speed for creating motovlogs is 60 kilometers per hour, nothing more. We'll look at the soundbar on the X5, and it's not peaking at max, which is good. It's good to know. Yeah, let's see. Here we go. Do 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 do. Traffic, traffic, traffic. So I'm off to get food for the chameleon because it's over. I need to get some food for her. So and I thought to myself, the best time to go get it is pick up my other son who wants to go on the ride as well. So yeah, so this is 80, right? That's what I mean. See, I don't think 80 would be the good sound for motovlogs. So if you want to get perfect audio, watch this. I'm dropping it down to 70. Now I'm at 70. That's what I sound like at 70. And now I'm going to drop it down to 60. And I think this is where it's at for motovlogs. So this is DJI Mic 3 and Insta360 Mic Air. So you be the judge out there. What do you think? Which one sounds better? Drop me a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know which sound sounds best. 60, 70 or 80? Or would it pass? Would it all three be acceptable to use as audio? Because I'm looking for the best audio for my motovlogs. But as I said, 60 sweet spot, that's what I'm going to use going forward on my channel, because I need to get motovlog content out. I need to start building that library. So that's what I'm doing. So you see, since I lost all my content in my old channel, I'm building each library as much as I can. So anything recorded on DJI is going to be a DJI playlist, recorded footage. Anything on the Insta360 will be in the Insta360 footage. Anything on the GoPro will be in the GoPro. And then you have my daily vlogs. And by the way, when you see now a new playlist called My Journey, this is all my new content. Anything that I found old that was from my old channel, I'm going to put in that playlist, old content revived. I think it's called revived, I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, you'll find my playlist. Check our playlist out if you can. Be much appreciated, because it just means I need to build up my watch hours, and I can't wait to hit 50 subscribers, because once I hit 50 I can start my lives, and when I start lives, that's when I'm going to get my watch hours up fast, and maybe, hopefully, fingers crossed, a subscriber count too. Do 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 do. That's the problem when you got itch. Do 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 do. Here we go. Yep. Passing through. Yeah, see, this is back at 80. I can feel it because the wind in my helmet's more. So I'm gonna drop it down, back down to 70. Yes. And back down to 60 here. Yeah, 60. Sweet spot. So the motovlogging sweet spot at 60 for me. Now I don't know about you out there. If you've got something that you're not sharing with us, that you're doing it at higher speeds, well, drop it in the comment below and tell us how you're doing it, so everybody else out there who's into motovlogging can do it too. Sharing is caring. And did I not mention earlier that the community is what brings you forward in life when it comes to the YouTube platform? If you ain't got a community, you're gonna struggle. That's the truth of the matter. You need a community. Build a community. Look after the community. Create for each other. Help each other, and we can get there all together. So you see, what I've learned today is that in a short span, how do you say it? I can't remember. Anyway, in the shortest time ever, I've already picked up a few people that has been following my old channel back on this channel. As you can see, the numbers are starting growing. That's what I said. I'm going to grow it back quack. I'm going to grow it back quick, because you see, I do offer value for people who watch my content. People do watch my content, and people enjoy watching my content, so why not come back to my channel and join me on my journey? Because I'm about growth, motivation, life lessons, wisdom, sharing knowledge, and just helping you out there. And at the same time, I'm sharing content for my children to look back later on one day in life and see me create content. So it's for them, it's for me, it's for others out there too, because something I offer is going to add value to someone out there too. So that's how I see it. Yes, that's how I see it. It's actually hot in the helmet. I mean, not hot outside, it's cold outside. We've got some cold weather now, and it's really cold, and it's beautifully cold. And this is where my Harley comes in handy right now. It's like a little warm machine under me to keep me warm. You have a hot water bottle in bed. You have a hot water bottle in. Oh my god! It's because of the way the helmet's holding my cheeks in more. You have a hot water bottle in bed. I have a Harley between my legs. Oh yeah, naughty boy. Yes, naughty. Don't be naughty now. No, well, I'm sorry. I do apologize. Here we go. Keeping it 60 because I like to have my audio quality good. I ain't gonna ruin it. I'm loving these motovlogs. Finally, it's been like a long time in the making, just trying to get this audio dialed in. And now I found it. I'm like a kid with sweets. Enjoying the moment of this motovlog, because it means I have you with me on two wheels. And this is where I get wind therapy. This is where I get therapy in my life, you see. I don't need no therapy sessions in life. I need my two wheels and the wind like this, and just enjoying it. Oh yeah, that's what I need. Wind therapy, baby. Oh yeah. I like it. Give me wind therapy any day. Whenever I'm stressed out, I shift down, and de-stress more, I shift up, and each gear I go up takes me further. Looney Tunes here with you people. Looney Tunes. It's okay. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Should I keep continuing? Should I continue recording? I'm telling you, I found out what the problem is now. Because this new helmet, the LS2, squeezes your cheeks inwards more, it's actually affecting my speech, to be exact. So if you see me mumble jumbling with words, you know why. It's just trying to get my mouth to speak, and it's like squishing, you know. You try to hold your cheeks together and talk. You understand what I mean. Oh yeah, here we go. Right. I'm going to stop this for now because I need to get down. So we're back now. Drop the mic back in here like so. There you go. And that's how I have my mic set up for the X5. And I'm actually very impressed about the sound quality so far that I'm listening to. I think I'm recording, yeah? Yeah, I'm recording. What happened? Hold on. What did it say? Something happened there, 1 second. Oh, battery level. Hmm?
Don't you have gloves inside the box?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, what's the reason?
Somewhere.
You always get everything out.
So I've got 18% left battery life. Just let it roll until I get home. What can I do? What to do? What to do? Right. Right. Here we go. And away we go. Yeah, so I'm very impressed with the Insta360 mic Air. So this is proof on my channel. All I've done is adjust the settings and the gains down to the minus maximum it can go. I think it's minus 12 dB, and that's it. Nothing else. And I've got the camera mic settings, which doesn't mean or bother me, or not really interested in it because I'm not focusing the outer mic unless I'm doing audio mixing, but for me I want it for voice. So this is where the Insta360 mic Air shines now for motovlogging. But remember, sweet spot, I told you, 60 kilometers per hour. I don't know what it is in miles per hour. You can do the conversion yourself and find out, but anything above that is a no-go. Otherwise it's going to start distorting the sound, and the same goes with DJI Mic 3, I'm assuming. We can do another test now just to prove what I'm saying is true. Seriously, I'm telling you. Some people just don't know how to drive on the road. I'll keep my opinions to myself, thank you. Yes, some people just can't drive. I'm telling you, no matter what they say or what they do, they just can't drive. Anyway, that's my own opinion. Here we go. Yeah. So I'm going to run this recording until the battery dies. If I reach home, I reach home. I don't reach home, well, what to do? Yeah, so I've got about 18% left battery life in the Osmo Action 6. The X5 looks like it's got about 30. But I did use the camera yesterday. I didn't charge it, so minus yesterday's footage at around 35 minutes. What am I, 80? Yeah, so 80 here. So this is what it sounds like with 80. I'm telling you, I doubt 80 is going to be the perfect audio sound for motovlog. So drop it down 60 if you want the perfect sound for your motovlogs. Yeah, these D7 Pros by Denali. Amazing. So you got strobe action if I want to strobe somebody. If I hit the horn, it strobes as well, so it gets their attention. And when I turn left or right, the lights switch off. Yeah, and I can turn it on and off by triple tapping the trip switch, and then it deactivates the lights. By the way, I'm learning how to speak with the helmet. You see, my cheeks are pushed together, it's fixed the way I speak, you see, so. Excuse me, here I come, Yeah. Traffic, I'm telling you, traffic. It's crazy. Where is everyone going? Hello, people. This is where the fairing bike will be a pain in the butt to have. And this is where the Road King shines, because it's just nimble and easy to maneuver. See, I had to fix that because the way my cheeks are pushed in together, which is affecting me speaking. Yeah, you learn something new every day, right? You learn something new every day. Who would have thought that simple squeeze the cheeks can affect the way you speak? Oh yeah, I like it. Yeah. This is where the automatic transmission will come in. Beautiful. Traffic. But again, I think that's more of a lazy way of riding a bike. You gotta use your hand movement to hold the clutch in and out. Otherwise you ain't riding a bike, right? Really? I look for comfort, right? There you go, battery's gone. So DJI died. X5 still going. But again, I didn't use X5 yesterday without charging. I did charge it, where I forgot to charge the DJI Action 6. Plus, on top of that, I do have extra batteries, but I didn't bring them with me. I didn't think I would be recording this much content today, so... Ah, yes. Hold on. Yeah, that's the end of the Action 6. But again, I just told you, it's not the fault of the Action 6. It's Dum-Dum's fault, me. Could I take another route home? Because the traffic looks crazy. Come on, people, let me get through. This is where a clutch tires your hand out too. My fingers are already tired. Slippery road. Here we go. So you get a finger stretch. You train your fingers, let me tell you. Training days. What are you training today? Fingers. Yeah. Oh my god. It's good that the weather's cold. My Harley's keeping me warm. Oh yeah. La 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 la. I'm gonna run this X5 down to the bare bones and let it die out of me. If I reach home, I reach home. If I don't reach home, I've got enough content for today. That's what it's all about, you see. That's what it's all about. Creating content for you and for me. You know that this whole traffic right now is all down to a up ahead turn that everybody wants to go right. So they create this backlog of build up of congestion. Yeah. What to do? Just take it easy and enjoy the time with me riding the Harley. Yeah. Coming through, people, let me come through. La 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 la. I think you You gotta force your way through, because nobody's gonna give you way to get in through. La 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 la. Yeah, that's it. I'll call this one a wrap. I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed the motovlog, and I hope you're enjoying my channel. And if you like the motovlog, I'll see you all on the next one. That's it. I'm out for tonight. Oh yeah, today is 8th of January. And that's the end of this content creating for today. You never know with me, because I'm crazy. I might pop up with another video soon. You just never know. Right, that's it. I'm calling this one a wrap. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Maybe. Who knows? You just never know with me. I could pop back up in an hour. When I'm creating content, there's nothing stopping me except for that record button on my camera. So you just never know with me. If you like the video, a like will go a long way. Just hit that like button down below. Smash it. Let the algorithm know that this channel's worth watching. Right, that's it. And I am out, people.